only request is, I have a small request to make. There has been a very great disaster in our country and our neighboring countries, and all of you are fully aware of the tsunami that has followed the earthquake. And although normally people keep 2 minutes silence, I, as a scholar, a person who is studying the Vedas and also understands Jyotish, do not believe in keeping silent when something is disastrous. I think fools keep silent. I believe that we should pray for the souls of those who have departed, and that we should pray that the people who have suffered very much, who have been destroyed, literally destroyed, that they find new shelter and new lives. So may I request our President, Sarmani Sarkar, to kindly recite the Mrityunjay mantra 21 times. Please join her in the recitation of the mantra so that we can pray for the souls.
I would like all of you to recite it with me. Will all of you recite Mrityunjay mantra with me, please? And then may I request Sanjay to start with Om Shrikai, which means
Om
Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamivabandhanam Mrityurmukshiyamanvitam Om Triambakam Yajamane 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 Sugandhim Pushtivardhanam Urvarukamivabandhanam Mrityurmukshiyamanvitam. I have great pleasure in welcoming you all to our annual conference on behalf of the Jagannath Temple. We have with us today Dr. Pankaj Chandit, he is Vice Chancellor of Nagpur University, who has agreed to grace this occasion as a chief guest and left all his job at Nagpur and flown down here to be with us. We have Sri Chandubhai Patel with us, who has kindly agreed to grace this occasion as our special guest. Sri Chandubhai Patel. He is a great astrologer, and his contribution to astrology will not require any introduction. Everybody knows that. Actually, sir, we are proud to have you with us today.
I am also proud to see you all so much interested in Indian astrology, and I bless you all to meet with success. Thank you.
Under guidance and blessings of our Guru, Pandit Sanjay ji, SJC is growing day by day. Every day it is growing. Our first annual conference was at Hyderabad. Then in 2004 January we had our second annual conference at Puri. And this is our third annual conference, and you can see that our members, students are spread all over the world, and they have come all the way from Singapore, Denmark, India, and all over India. This annual conference is based on timing of events. Timing of events is a very integral part of Jyotish, Vedic Jyotish. So we will discuss this, our members and gurus and all knowledge astrologers, they have done extensive research on this, and they will share their knowledge with us at this forum during the next 7 days. A special issue of Jyotish Digest has been published on this occasion. I think it is already written, it has been distributed. And the conference schedule is there in your folder. Maybe there will be some last minute changes that will keep you informed to you. So I will request our SJC student Kanupriya Branka. Branka is from Siberia, Serbia. We will facilitate our chief guest with a song. Please hand over this bouquet to Mr. Dubai Patel. Hand over this bouquet to all. Please hand over one bouquet to our President Sarvani. Now I will request Dr. Sanjay to light the lamp and start the Now I will request Pandit Sanjay ji to take over the mic. Welcome to the third annual conference of the Sri Jagannath Center. SJC has been having these conferences on an annual basis in Asia. And as usual, we have the good fortune of some of the finest research papers being presented in these conferences. And you will all be sharing the research papers of these scholars. And I will request you, as usual, not to hesitate in questioning them, because you will realize that the best way for the knowledge to grow scientifically is to question the research. So don't accept anything that is published blindly. Question it until you are fully satisfied that it deserves the merit and the research is going to benefit the entire Jyotish community. Yes, it has been our good fortune to have Dr. Pankaj Chandri here with us. He has played a very pivotal role in the growth of Jyotish by bringing Jyotish into the mainstream of the subjects in the university. Fortunately, because of his efforts, today we have SJC ERC, that is the Sri Jagannath Center Education and Research Center. We have Divekar over here, who is in the managing committee of SJC ERC, and we are now offering a course for a bachelor's degree in Jyotish. I mean, this would have been unheard of, unimaginable about 10 years back. Patel Saab will definitely agree with me on this, that we have come a long way, and thanks to the people of elders like him who have kept on encouraging us that go on, and finally we have reached this place that today, yes, degrees are being offered. We have so many students over here, especially so many from Serbia, so many from India, and we have students from the US also who are now doing this degree course, and we are hoping that in the near future we should be able to offer master's level courses also. And I think I will not be taking much of your time in this, and I will be spending more of my time discussing Jyotish with you. So with these words, thank you.